Yes,
Good
start.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
The selfish giant has the good, beautiful garden. Went away the long time, and children began the play his garden. Then he came back. He told the garden to the go away. The giant built a high wall, no one cloud to in the garden. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. I can start, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. The 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 name of the chapter is Selfish Land, and his poet is Oscar Wilde. He is a very good narrator. He narrates the story in his own ways, like in the character of Selfish Land. Selfish Land has a beautiful garden, and all boys want to play in the garden. One day, the selfish giant gone to the own friend for for many weeks. Then when he came back, many days he did not come back. Then most of the villages seems that the selfish giant died. But when he came back, then he realized that he alive.
All right, next.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Uh, The selfish giant is, is a narrated story written by Oscar Wilde. In this story, uh, the narrator shows that selfish giant was so much crucial to the child.
जगह से स्टार्ट कर रहा है मैम.
हाँ, कहानी को शुरू करके खत्म.
यस मैम.
बट मैं जो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट किया तो मतलब कि जो स्टोरी में बहुत सारा गैप कर दिया था मैं, मतलब कि
हाँ, वो
लास्ट
ठीक है.
लास्ट कर दिया ठीक है ना?
हाँ, सही तरीके से बोलो.
अगर सीक्वेंस फॉलो होता तो मतलब कि जो बहुत से बोल सकते थे, बट एक लास्ट किया और शुरू किया फिर लास्ट कर दिया ऐसे तो।
ठीक है, स्टार्ट अगेन. हाँ.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello.
Start.
Good afternoon, ma'am. When he came back in his house, then he saw there were many children playing in the garden, and he saw the children were frightened, and he went to his house and lived there. And after the another morning, he saw many children playing in his garden.
Yes, continue.
Okay. Then after he came inside his house and saw there were many children playing in the garden, and the children were frightened and they ran out in the garden. They were hidden. Um, After that, the selfish giants made a board that race parts. Sorry, I can't remember. I wouldn't remember. Thank you.
Next.
The giant the giant was he says, my garden is my own garden, and so he built a high wall around it. Then he put a notice board that trespassers will be prosecuted. And it was clear that the selfish giant was very selfish. Now the children felt very sad because they has no place to play. So they play outside the garden around the wall. And in the spring, flowers were came in all the village, but there is no spring in the giant's garden. There was no summer also. It was always winter here.
In one day, he noticed everywhere came a spring, but his garden was still winter. His garden was looking incomplete without children. Once in garden, once the flower has closed, after looking notice board, flowers and trees have back to sleep. Due to his selfish, also autumn did not come in garden. One morning he looked outside through his window. Children were playing near the tree, and one corner to one little boy was trying to sit the branches of tree, but he did not able to sit the branch of tree. The tree has also lowered its branch. That time, his heart melted. He decided to help little boy to reach the branch of tree. He catch his hand to turn and put the branch of tree. The little boy felt happy and kissed him. He realized I did garden not come autumn and spring. He took the wall from children to play his garden. Next day, he searched that little boy was his and asked another boy about little boy. Another boy said, I did not see. Next.
Yes, sir.
He went downstairs and walked near him. However, he felt angry to see his wounded palm and feel fit on asking who had wounded him. He replied, "These are the wounds of love." At this, the giant fell on his feet. "I will let you play in my garden, which is paradise," said the little child, "because you let me play in your garden." Once in the evening, when the children visited the garden, they saw the giant lying dead.
This story being with the children playing in the beautiful garden of the giant garden. They used to come to play in his garden every afternoon after returning from school. The garden was a lovely place with tree bedding with fruits and beautiful flowers all over. The bird would sing sweetly, sitting on the top of the tree. One day, the giant returned from his friend's home. Then he saw many children play in his garden and also broke the gate. And he becomes very angry after the seeing that the all children playing in his garden, and he decided to make a big wall around his garden, and he put the notice board in his garden, and that in this notice board was written each trespasser would be prosecuted. Seeing this, the children became sad as they lost a nice.
very sad. They had no place to play, so they played outside the garden around the wall. Time went on. In the spring, flowers grew all over, but in the giant's garden there was no spring. There was no summer also. It was always winter there. Neither birds nor flowers could be seen there. Only snow and frost covered the trees. The giant wondered as why there was no spring in his garden. One giant lay in his bed awake. He heard a sweet
Hello everyone, my name is Sikandar Kumar and I would like to add further that uh, when the giants returned back in the garden, then he saw there are lots of children was playing in the garden, and as soon as he saw the children, he, he he shouted in a gruff voice, "Oh, what are you doing here?" And because he didn't want to play. He didn't want to play in the gardens for any children, and this is the reason he made a wall around his garden to protect, to keep out the wall of children, keep out the children, and the children was very sad because there is no place like that garden for playing, and the giant is the giant wants to live alone in his garden, and he put a banner and posters around his garden to write, this is private property. Passengers will be prosecuted, and so he passed by, and the selfish giant put a notice board: trespasser will be prosecuted. And now the poor children had no place to play. They tried to play on the road, but the road was very dusty and full of hard stones, and they didn't like it. They used to wander around the high walls when the lessons were over, and they talk about the beautiful garden, how happy we were. They said to each other. Then the spring came, and all over the country were little blossom and little birds. Only in the garden of the selfish giant it was still winter. The bird didn't care to sing in it as there were no children, and the trees forgot to blossom. Once a beautiful flower put out from the grass, but when it saw the notice board, it was so naughty for the children that it had slipped back into the ground and went off to sleep. Without the children, the peach trees stopped blossoming. It is just stop
everything in the garden. Birds stopped singing. Next, very good.
The only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost.
Are you reading from any text? Don't read, speak.
Spring has forgotten this garden. They cried, so we will live here all the year round. The snow covered up the grass with her great white hulk, and the frost paint all the trees silver. Then they invited the north wind to stay with them, and he came. He was wrapped in furs, and he roars all day about the garden, and blew the chimneys pots down. This is a delightful spot, he said. We must ask hell on a visit. So the hell came every day for 3 hours. He railed on the roof of the cattle till he broke most of the slates, and he ran round and round the garden as fast as he could go. He was dressed in grey, and his breath was like ice. I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming, said the selfish giant, as he sat at the window and looked out at his cold, white garden. I hope there will be a
I hope there will be a change.
कहा था आपको रीडिंग क्लास थोड़ी है. चलिए सेकंड रो यहाँ से. बैठ जाइए आप. टेल द स्टोरी. लॉग इन. बैठ जाओ अच्छे से. लॉग इन करो. तो पे स्पॉटलाइन हम कर रहे हैं.
Giant. And he lived in a beautiful garden, and he had to go to meet his friends, and he stayed there around 7 years, and the garden equally was he went out of the garden, and this is the reason lots of children used to play there. And after going to school and times gone by, when the selfish giants came back to his garden.
All right, next. From what happened when the selfish giant came back?
When the selfish giant came back, he was so surprised to see all the children were playing in his garden. The selfish giant was so angry, and the selfish giant said that my garden is my own garden, and there is nobody to play in my garden. No one have rule to play in my garden. And the giant made a high wall in his own garden, and there were many boats and in the notice board, the notice board written that trespassers should be prosecuted, and the children were so sad because they had no place to play in evening time. The children were playing outside the garden, and children feel very lonely because they had no even place to play. All over there were summer season, but only in Giant's garden there were still winter.
Yes, all right, next.
After that, when the making of wall by the giants, then spring season come in all the village in the village, but in the giant's garden the spring season not come in his garden. And after that no any bird came in his garden for sing, and no any flower to bloomed in his garden and
You will not say no any. There were no flowers, no के बाद जो any लगा देते हो. This is wrong. No any place, no anyone, no any person, नहीं. No place, no one, no flowers. Any को delete proper.
And after that and one day the giants sat on his bed, and he listened the sound of children, and the sounds came from his garden. And then he thinks.
That point to the end scene. What happened during the summer, during autumn? What happened during spring? What happened? You did not. Yes, you forgot that. Do not jump to conclusion.
And after that, in the giant's garden, winter season continue in his garden, and the snow covered all the gardens, all the gardens place, and also trees covered by the snow. And one day, when the giant sat on his bed and he listened the sound, and sound comes from his garden, and he when he goes to garden, and he becomes very surprised the snow, and the snow goes from his garden because the children came his garden from that teeny hole, and tiny hole, and but one corner.
Right, next.
After that, when the children see the selfish giant, then all children are going. Then after he giant was go to his room, and one day he listened to a bird sing of bird, and he thinking like that song, like King family song. After that
Hey, hello. Continue. No. Don't raise your hand then. Yes, next. Complete the story, somebody. पीछे से कोई, somebody. Second row, third row. Third row.
Climb a tree that was very taller than him. So he goes there silently. behind him and he put the little child on the tree. Then the child hugs the giant and give him a kiss. Then the selfish giant's heart melted at that time. For the first time, he feels that means feels the love, true love. So then he decided that he was wrong. He was wrong that he built a wall around his garden. That then he decided to break the wall and gave it to the children to play.
Yes, next.
One day Gent was outside his window. He noticed many children were playing near the trees. One of the young little boy, one of little boy was trying to see the branch, top of branch. One day, Gent was looking outside his window. He noticed there were children were playing. One boy was trying to see the branch, top branch of tree, but he did not able to see the branch of tree. Then that time his heart melted. He decided to help little child to reach the branch of the tree. Then he go to near the boy. Gent was help little boy. The little boy felt happy and kissed his hand. Gent realized why did the autumn and spring came his garden, and Gent was also feel so happy, and he picked the balls to come his garden to play all the children. After next day, Gent was searching that boy who was kissed his hand, but and he asked another boy. Another boy said, I have never seen little boy before. One
Yes,
day,
next. Complete the story. पीछे people who are at the back.
The days after that, and the days converted into month, and the month converted into year, and Giant was coming old day by day, and lastly he said he that's why on that tree that's he tried to climb. There has a nail on his palm, and he said who Giant said to him, who put this? Then he replied, this is a sign of love, and you come with me and play my garden. That garden is heaven, and that boy is Jesus Christ. And after that, Giant was dead and covered with flower, and people to see.
And what happened? What did the people see the next day?